for a Hyundai Elantra hybrid instrument cluster, and team members are Navin Sadakal, Sohan Gautam, and Minister Garki. So, what is instrument cluster? So, it's a group of components that are placed in front of vehicle's dashboard that provides the driver with very essential and vital details and diagnostics about the vehicle operation. Now here you're specifically talking about 2024 Hyundai Elantra hybrid model that features a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster built on the LED technology that supports the two types of display, that's analog and digital. You can see in Type A and Type B. Now there are components that adjust the brightness of the instrument panel illumination here. We have speedometer that indicates the speed of the vehicle. You have power gauge that indicates whether the current driving condition is fuel efficient or not. There are charge, eco and power access mode. You have different other components like hybrid SOC gauge. You have fuel gauge, you have outside temperature gauge, odometer, range, dual gauge, transmission and safety indicators. Likewise, you have other different components that are supported by this automobile. And you have these are the different warning lights that are provided by this automobile. You can go through this. Now let's talk about this usability testing lab. The Hyundai automobile have one of the largest research facilities in the world, that is Namyang Technology Research Center, is situated in South Korea, equipped with advanced technology, including different usability testing labs. Now, what kind of testings can be done on the instrument cluster, and what kind of labs are there in such centers then? So let's talk about the first testing, that is ergonomic testing, that evaluates physical design of the instrument cluster. You have visual and display testing that assess the readability of the display under different lighting conditions such as bright sunlight or nighttime driving. You have cognitive load testing that measures the cognitive load whenever the user looks into the instrument cluster. And there are different other testing like SSB testing, you have simulation and real world testing, you have interface and interaction testing, you have safety and compliance testing, feedback and adaptation testing, you have environment testing. Now let's talk about the sales. Now this quarter sales itself is a 2% increase compared to the previous year's sale, and here the major contribution has been also from this user, and people are very much appreciative of the design of the instrument cluster, and they are giving the good review on it, saying that it is very intuitive and user friendly to use. Now let's talk about the importance of this design. Such design, first is safety. Instrument cluster provides vital information such as vehicle speed, fuel level, engine temperature and warning lights that are very important for the drivers to protect them from the ominous danger. Now the vehicle operation, such clusters have allowed the drivers to monitor important metrics related to vehicle performance and status. Now let's talk about user experience. It is a well-designed cluster that provides user experience, a good user experience, by presenting information in very clear and intuitive manner. Now technology advancement, with advanced technology we have different complex and enhanced technology added to the clusters. Now regulatory requirement. Now the regulatory bodies themselves require such companies to have such components for user safety. Now let's go about instrument cluster as interface design. First is user-centered design. It takes driver needs and preference in mind. It creates an interface that is intuitive and easy to use while driving. Now let's talk about clarity and readability. The information and components are such well designed that it presents the user with clear and reliable information and ensures that they get it at single glance. Now information hierarchy, the primary and critical data informations are given more are displayed prominently compared to secondary information. Consistency, it maintains consistency in design element, layout and interface patterns across different sections of the instrument cluster. Feedback and responsiveness, the cluster provides the feedback for the input given by the user, so that the user feels that they are in control of the automobile. Thank you.